Okay, this is the car that we received. This is this car. So, and this is its remote. I already put batteries in this remote, and this is the car. And I'm just going to put in uh, batteries in it. I have I have brand new batteries, 1.5 volt. So I'm just putting them in. And I'm just screwing it back. Yeah, and I am turning the button on. It is off and on. I'm turning it on here, this part, and now let's test it. We have two buttons on the remote here. One is for the front wheel movement, another is for the back wheel movement. Let's try the front wheel movement first. Focus the camera here. So if you see, yeah, notice you can see the front wheel is moving. So looks like the front wheel movement is good. Now we shall look into the back wheel. The back wheel, now I'm going to move the back wheel button, and nothing is happening at all. Nothing is happening. The back wheels are not functioning at all. So probably there's something wrong with the circuit maybe inside, I'm not sure. Let us try turning it. Yeah, you see it here. Yeah, the front wheel is moving as per our need, but the back wheel, sometimes we notice the back wheel just rotating slightly. Sometimes it doesn't even happen. That if you see, when we press the back button, we see just a small move once, but it is not rotating on the whole. So that is a problem actually with this new car that we got from Webby. So yeah, please address this. Thank you.